Hello everyone, I'm Adnan. So today I'm going to teach you first in out method, first in first out method FIFO with a very short period of time by solving a sample question. So first in method is an inventory management an accounting method where oldest stocks or asset acquired first are assumed to be sold, used or disposed first. So and the formula for will be formula to be implement to solve this question. COGS is equal to units sold into cost of oldest inventory. So through FIFO, what we know what will be what had come in my stock first need to be sold first. So from this table I can easily find out that in August 1000 unit has entered into my stock. So what will so the just okay. So units sold. So now with this formula I can find out my answer very easily. So cost of goods sold is going to be 600 into so 1000 unit. From this 1000 unit I need to take the 600 or to make the to calculate the cost of sold units. So selling 600 600 wall clocks. Cost of sold units is going to be 600 into 250. Six hundred into 250. So this is my answer. Cost of goods sold is 1,50,000. Okay, thank you all. Best of luck and keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you find my videos helpful.